In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Mailchimp email templates. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started with email campaigns, having access to well-designed templates can save you a lot of time and effort. Mailchimp offers a variety of customizable templates that suit different industries, styles, and purposes. Plus, if you're feeling creative or working with a design from another platform, you can even import your own template. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find, customize, and even bring in external templates to create professional and effective email campaigns that stand out in your subscribers' inboxes. To get started, log in to your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, locate the Campaigns section. This is where all of your email campaigns are managed. Now, click on the Create Campaign button. When the menu pops up, select Email as your campaign type. This will take you to the next step, where you'll decide how to structure your email. Instead of starting from scratch, which can be time-consuming, choose the Templates option. This will give you access to Mailchimp's library of pre-made designs. Now, here's where the fun begins. You can browse through the available templates to find one that fits your needs. Mailchimp organizes these templates by style, industry, or purpose, making it easy to find something that works for your brand. Take your time exploring the options. You'll find everything from minimalistic designs to bold, colorful layouts. Once you've found the perfect template, click on it to start customizing. You can change the text, adjust the images, and tweak the layout to align with your brand identity. Mailchimp's drag-and-drop editor makes this process simple and intuitive, even if you don't have a background in design. But what if you already have a specific email design in mind, or you found a template on another platform that you'd like to use? No problem. Mailchimp lets you import external templates as well. Here's how. First, in the Templates section, click on Code Your Own. From there, select Paste in Code. It's important to note that this feature is only available if you're on a trial or premium plan, so make sure your account is eligible before proceeding. Once you've got that sorted, open your browser and search for Mailchimp-compatible email templates on platforms like Layer or similar services. These platforms often have a variety of templates to choose from, and many of them allow you to edit the design directly on their site. Choose a template that fits your needs and make any necessary adjustments. When you're happy with the design, export the template as an HTML file. Along with the file, you'll usually be able to download any accompanying assets, like images or style sheets, so make sure to grab those as well. Now, open the HTML file you downloaded and copy the code, head back to Mailchimp, and in the Paste in Code section, paste the HTML code. This will import your external template into Mailchimp. From here, you can further customize the email content, swap out images, and refine the design to make it your own. Once everything looks good, save your work and finalize the email template. That's it. You're all set to use your custom design in your next campaign. And there you have it. Finding and customizing Mailchimp email templates is straightforward, whether you're using their built-in designs or bringing in your own. With these steps, you can create emails that are not only visually appealing but also tailored to your audience's needs. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.